Welcome back to this series of videos on electric ukulele playing. Today we're doing All in a Mouse's Night by Genesis. Lots of people have their go-to song that makes them happy on a bad day, and this is mine. It's a mock epic about a mouse, meaning the song is humorously pretending to be serious, and at the end the mouse gets away from the cat, and the cat has to lie to its owners about why he couldn't catch him. There's a really fun soaring outro solo here that Steve Hackett does, which complements the keyboard line, and I can't think of a better way to end this section on solos. Tune your uke and let's play it. YouTube is wonderful. Throughout this video series, I have been making my own transcriptions and my own tablature, but I have used other people's guitar videos as cribs to help me get started. And I probably couldn't have done this song without a YouTuber named Claudio Baiano, who did a guitar version of this song solo. The first part of this solo is pretty easy. We start on an unfretted string. I'm cheating a lot here because the original recording is more sophisticated. I'm just doing a rolling motion between 3 frets. Now we have this fun box section. Then just repeat. We now have a variation on that last phrase, but the note sequence feels familiar. So picking up from the second time we play that. The guitar goes lower than this, but we can't on a ukulele, so we're just going to cheat here. So let's do that again. You'll recognize this next movement. This next part looks and sounds pretty screwy, and I'm not totally sure I'm doing it precisely right, but it goes by so fast that you can probably be forgiven. Let's try this again. I'm not sure I can totally replicate that. Still with me? Okay, let's move on to the climax of the solo. Let's try that again. It's best not to use your index finger here because you need to quickly use those lower fingers down here. So try to hit this with a higher finger. Now, quick swoops up the neck. Try not to cut your finger open. Now, I think you're supposed to do this. But it might be this. Not quite sure whether it's this or this note. Moving on from that 10th fret note, we do this triangle shape. Let's do that again. A lot of the notes in this solo sound weird because we're playing a harmony against the keyboard line. But once we hear the whole thing together, it sounds great. So let's hear what it sounds like.